Understanding traffic signs. I will show you how to understand some common traffic signs. Traffic signs can help keep us all safe on the road. For example, a crosswalk sign means that this is where people cross the street. You must stop for these people. A stop sign? You'll need to stop completely at the stop sign. A yield sign means that you must let other cars go ahead of you. A playground or school zone sign? Slow down, children might be playing nearby. Signal lights tell us when to stop and go. The red light means stop. The yellow light means slow down and stop. The green light means go. A left turn only traffic sign tells us that we can only turn left in this lane. A right turn only sign means that we can only turn right in this lane. A no U-turn traffic sign means that you cannot turn around in the middle of the road. A speed limit sign tells how fast you can drive. We measure speed in kilometers per hour in Canada. Traffic signs are here to keep us safe. Stay safe and happy driving. Find other online lesson plans and resources for your class of ESL beginners on the ESL Directions website.